motherfucking dildos. My name is Fire Truck AUTTP, and today I'm going to describe myself. I am the absolute laziest man on the outside. Much like police car and AUTTP, I like to eat my own shit for dinner, lunch, and snack time, and drink my own piss when I'm thirsty. I also like to ignore building and vehicle fires. I like to cyberbully people on the internet every fucking day. I like to play with my big fat wiener and touch my ball sack. I also like to insult other firefighters too. I like to go on failure adventures around the city, driving 17530573238957238056238 miles per hour. I also like to set buildings and vehicles on fire. My favorite part about my life is that I'm in the UTTP. The UTTP is so incredible and fantastic. That's all I wanted to fucking say. This is Fire Truck and UTTP signing off.